Hey guys, it's Carolyn here for SheSave.com, and I wanted to give you a peek at my room here at the Omni Mandalay. This is in Irving, Texas, right outside of Dallas, and I wanted to share this with you because I love how big and spacious these rooms are, and also I love the view from this hotel. There's a peek at the desk area, but I'm gonna go behind the curtain here. I wanted to show you this view at night because it's fantastic. As I mentioned, we're in Irving, and that's right outside of Dallas. So that is Dallas right over there. It's a beautiful view. You can see the hotel swimming pool down there. This is quite a large hotel, and it's in a great area. It was close to the airport. We flew into Dallas, Fort Worth, and you can see a great view of the city. Really nice view during the day, and so I highly recommend requesting that view. If you stay here, we're on the 16th floor, and it's just really nice during the day as well. So there's a peek at the television set. There is a refrigerator in there. Over here, you've got your little coffee bar area, and they've got what is called the Omni Sensation Bar, which is all your little snacks. And I actually thought they were pretty reasonable. So there's a look at those. And then you've got some closet space here, and you've got your iron and your ironing board. And then a peek at the bathroom. I feel like this hotel is really clean as well, and I always try to mention that if it's something that I notice. They've got some really nice products, nice bathroom area, got a shower and a bathtub, and they have hair dryer and a makeup mirror, which I always appreciate. So there you go, peek at this hotel room here at the Omni Mandalay. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.